What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today, I'll be doing an AMC update for you guys. Lots of great stuff was thrown out there. Lots of bullish stuff was said in yesterday's AMC earnings call. More specifically, we own 90% of those shares of AMC. Super bullish, super exciting of those news. And also, we'll be going over how the NFT space and the cryptocurrency space will be a game changer moving forward for AMC in the future. Plus, all the other updates and news regarding AMC I'll be talking about in this video. We'll be trying to do it pretty quick and simple, not to waste anybody's time. But, if it's your first time stumbling across this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I tend to do lots of cryptocurrency videos, but I also love investing and trading in the stock market. So if you want to know more, keep up to date with all my AMC updates, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And with that being said, let's get this video started. Alright guys, we are on WEBULL looking at the price chart on AMC. We have closed right at $18.53, about a 0.15% for the past day. So far, so good. As you know, the past couple days, past couple weeks, we've been trading between this channel of 14.49 and 20.88. So far, this support line of 14.50 has been holding up pretty good for AMC. We have touched it multiple times. I'm not saying we haven't dipped underneath it below for a brief moment, but safe to say this is a pretty heavy supported key level support for AMC. And also we know that we have bounced at this $20 level resistance a couple times, so we know there's lots of resistance there. But honestly, we know there's lots of price manipulation out there in the market. We know, especially after what Adam Aron said, that over 90% of the shares are owned by retail investors. So you hear that right, and that's excluding all the ETFs that have AMC in their ETF. That's excluding all those shares. This is massive news, because as we know, last year when all this started, retail roughly had about 80% ownership of the AMC shares, but now Adam Aron has said we have over 90%. So if you kind of think about it, only 10% of shares out there is what's controlling the price, and that's not really adding up in math price. If 80% of percentage ownership of retail investors last year, and we had seen prices of 40, 50, even $74 at the highest, when we only owed 80%. Now that we own 90% of the AMC shares out there outstanding, how is it that we're still trading underneath $20 and we haven't been able to break this $20 addition? Well, it's super easy. I mean, honestly, this is only my opinion, and I know there's lots of people out there with their own opinion, but let's be real. There's probably lots of synthetic shares out there in the market going around. That's the only explanation I have. And also, we know market makers, they can manipulate the price going through dark pools and all that, but that's you already know about that. But really, I really wanted to talk about the NFT space in the the cryptocurrency space in the NFTs that AMC will they're gonna start dipping their feet in. As we know, AMC has been giving away a lot of free NFTs by a lot of the shareholders that have connected into the AMC Connect program. But in the earnings call, they said that they're gonna probably gonna be selling those NFTs just in case. Let's say you go and see the Batman movie or the Spider-Man movie or whatever. They happen to have a special edition Spider-Man Batman NFT collection, let's say of one out of 1,000 or however 100,000 NFTs. They're gonna end up selling those NFTs in the in the whatever, let's say OpenSea or whatever platform they end up choosing in the long term to sell those NFTs. But more importantly, even after they sell those NFTs, looks from what they said or what Adam said that in the future, if that NFT does end up selling for more, let's say later down the road, they will end up getting a royalty fee, meaning more money and revenue for AMC, which is super bullish. And we know that the NFT space out there is massive. Maybe not massive compared to other stuff like cryptocurrencies, but there's lots of money out there in NFTs. We know that there's probably going to be over, let's say, 90% of those NFTs out there currently are probably going to be worthless a couple years from now, a couple months from now. But I believe that AMC is doing the right way and probably gonna be doing those special editions, Spider-Man's, Batman NFTs. That it's just special for those holders. For example, you want to go out and see that movie that has that Spider-Man movie, and you ended up loving that movie, and you want to have something apart regarding that movie, and you'll be able to buy that Spider-Man NFT in your collection. As we know, that's going to be a massive boost of revenue for AMC. And also, they said that they're going to be dabbing their feet into cryptocurrency. We know that believe later this month or next month they will start accepting Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as form of payment. But Adam Aaron did say that they want to release their own cryptocurrency, which is massive. We know there's lots of cryptocurrencies, and if you watch my videos daily, I mainly talk about cryptocurrencies more around the DeFi network. But what's different about this is actually a legitimate company, not like a whole bunch of random people starting out to make their own coin. This is actually a company that has their business skills in line and are trying to do massive things to boost up their revenue. And as we know, there's lots of money to be made in cryptocurrencies. And you know me, I love my cryptocurrencies, and I also love my AMC shares. So those two combined is making me super bullish in the whole space regarding. But how is this going to change AMC? Well, really simple. They're not going to really go all into cryptocurrencies just yet because we know cryptocurrency isn't regulated. They want to wait until they have something regulated. They have their own coin that's regulated and is following all of its SEC rules. That way, it's a legitimate project. And if you think about it, that's actually really good for the long term for AMC and for that cryptocurrencies. We know there's lots of cryptos out there being made day by day, week by week. But we know that over 99.5% of those cryptocurrencies that are coming out on the daily are scams or those cryptos where they are just pumping and dumping. It's sad to say, but we know that exists. And like I said, 90% of those cryptos out there won't be here around the next couple of months or years. And that's why we probably see a lot of people saying that cryptocurrency is in a bubble. But I feel AMC can be a game changer in that play if they follow the rules and come with in line with all of SEC's regulations to make that cryptocurrency. So super bullish. And also in other news, they will be coming out, or they're trying to do a credit card for AMC, and that's another avenue of revenue for AMC. We know that there's lots of money to be made in interest rates from, let's say, lots of credit card providers. That's where they make their money. I know it's kind of weird to say how being in debt is bad or is good, but it is good for AMC because that's another revenue source for AMC. And then also, finally, before we end this video, they will be expanding their popcorn selling. As we know, popcorn is one of their highest thing or biggest thing that they sell after movie tickets and I believe soda. They said popcorn is their top seller. And by the looks of it, they're going to be partnering up with Uber Eats, and many others. I even think even in probably like the supermarket, they're going to end up selling popcorn. So as we know, that's just another additional revenue stream for AMC. So lots of great news. But obviously, if you're an ape and you got in this play from last year, we know we're waiting for that MOASS. And obviously, there's no date specifically on that MOASS. We're just hoping it ends up happening, but all this that I just said earlier in this video is super bullish long term for AMC. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe down here, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.